They picked it up and still, besides that wall there, was overspray all on the back of the cap here.
Lots of overspray on that cap.
The ladder itself is coming loose.
I mean,
Okay, on the top of the roof there, by the plumbing vents, there is a weak spot in the ceiling. On the right side of the vents, on this middle slide here up at the top, of course the trim was not put in place properly. It sticks out along with screws also coming loose now out of the slide. Sealant will also have to be checked on this. Then we have, of course, under the tongue here in the front bay, which this front area here was never even attached. You can see huge gap there, and that's all the way across. Which should not be.
well, again, this is not something you can see right now. We've disconnected and taken these propane lines off because, on both tanks, because in 2 30-pound tanks on this are completely empty in less than 3 weeks, and the only thing we used in this was hot water for a shower, and we used the stove twice, and they're empty. Curious. And then there's this.
The biggest part, which is where the major flooding has been taking place and going from here inside the kitchen. And the biggest question is where and why. Continuous leaks over the past month, and quite tremendous, leaking down into the belly also.
Today is November 21st, 2012, and we've loaded up the dogs and left out super early this morning to make it to Explore USA RV, only to be told today that the game plan has changed and they're not going to open up the unit for us to look in after they had it towed up here.